Welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. We'll be discussing the process for the University of Bradford Master Scholarship. These scholarships are open for interested students and will show the full process, how to apply for this particular scholarship, and what are the methods to get this scholarship. Before we proceed, let me remind to subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you're new here for the first time, please do subscribe. If you already subscribed, just like and share this video. Do also follow us on Instagram page here. You can see our username is Full Scholarships. All the scholarship related content is published here. The link for this UK scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are given in the respective descriptions. Also, in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanlook.com. And on Instagram, you can directly check out the stories or highlights or directly message our team for the link. Once you visit our website fullscholarships.net, you can read about this particular scholarship. So, University of Bradford is offering scholarships for session 2026-2027, particularly for the postgraduate courses, including masters, and you can apply for PhD scholarships as well. So there are other certain courses for bachelors as well, but right now the scholarships will be particularly for masters and PhD, and there are some scholarships which you need not to apply, just you need to complete a masters or a PhD or undergraduate application process and you'll be automatically considered for these scholarships. They include full tuition fee waiver, monthly stipend, and accommodations as well. These are open to all nationalities. Application is online mode via application portal. So monthly stipend will be provided, including the accommodation. There are also some certain scholarships for the disabled and particularly groups or races which they have reserved the scholarships for, and some certain countries as well. So you need some documentation for this. For example, for bachelors you need high school records, and for bachelors you need for masters you need bachelor's degree, and you should also have a proficiency in English language, and no IELTS and TOEFL is required. But it is, if it is there, it is well and good. But in case you have previously completed your education in English language, you just need a medium of instruction certificate. Besides this, supporting documents like CV, motivation letter, and recommendation letters are required for this. So you need to browse the program, select the program, and complete the process for that, and simply submit the application. That's it. In order to start the application, scroll down at the end. You can see click here to apply. Tap on this button here, and once you click on that, it should open the official website. It might take few seconds or minutes to load. So you can see the website here, and once you open the website, you can see the different scholarships for academic year 2026-2027. This is for the undergraduate, postgraduate, taught and research programs. These are for certain countries. Then there's a Chevening scholarship, MBA scholarship, Keith Howard scholarship is there, and postgraduate bursary scholarship is there. You can see a lot of scholarships available, and some have unlimited scholarships, some have restricted numbers. So n number of scholarships are there, so you can easily get one of the scholarships that you have enrolled for any of the courses. To get the scholarship, you need to click on this official website here and go for postgraduate courses here. You can tap on that. Now you can see start postgraduate study in January, and you can consider here. You can see ready to apply. Click on apply for a master's. Apply for a master's program here, and now scroll down here. You can see apply online for the postgraduate taught courses or fast track application form. Click on this apply online button, and once you click on that, it will open this application portal page where you have to create a new user account first. For the first time users, you need to create an account. Select your title here, first name, last name, then date of birth. Create a username here, and then create a password. Now click on create user. Once you create user, it will directly log in, and I have already done this part, so I'll just simply use my username and password here, and we'll log in. Here you can see log into an existing application. Now it will take us to our dashboard here. So first you need to click on course search, and taught courses, research courses, whatever is, you can simply search. You can see a lot of courses are there, part-time, full-time, depending on which one you adopt or you opt for. So you can go, so for example, I'll go with this MSc in logistics and data analytics. Tap on this course here, And you can see there are different intakes. So I'll go with the September 2027. Tap on apply button here, and there's mode of attendance as well. These are all full time, so you need to choose it a full time or part time course. You need to check that. So now there's an application. You need to complete all the sections. Now tap on start application. You'll also receive an email in the meantime that you have started the application. So from the university itself, you'll receive it. Now your date of birth, your full name, select your gender here, and country of birth, then legal nationality, then country of residence, and then click on save and continue. Now personal details will be country, tap on that, address, and then mobile phone number, and then do you want to add a different correspondence address? No. Then agent details, so click on save and continue. Without any agent details here, we'll be submitting the application by itself. Now go to qualifications. You need to add your previous institution details, and then type of qualification. So you can mention the qualification you have completed, and then select the grades you have got, completion date. So you need to mention the completion date here. Now upload your documents, browse this, and one by one you need to upload that. Now tap on upload, and you can see uploaded successfully. Now close this. And English language qualifications, majority English speaking country, you can select yes. Now school certificate taken, so high school certificate, you can what grade did you achieve, so you should upload the marks of that. Now tap on save and continue. Now if there is any experience, you can add that. Click on save and continue. After that, do you have a personal statement to upload? Select yes and upload the personal statement here. So one by one you should upload all the documents wherever required, and upload there. Tap on upload button. Finished, click on close. Now save and continue. And passport and visa, this is important. Mention the passport number here, then date of issue of the passport, and date of expiry of the passport. Country of issue, mention the country. Upload your passport here. Sorry for this. Now let me just select this, tap on upload, and now close. Click on save and continue. So let me go back to this step. There is some question at the end, so I did miss it. Are you a UK national? No. Consent to data, require visa? Yes. Previously attended UK? No. Click on save and continue. Okay. Now there's a referee. Do you have reference to upload? Yes. Tap on references so that you upload them, and upload references here. Click on close, save and continue. Now funding. What's your likely funding? Select scholarship. So you can mention the university name. Click on save and continue. Now, how did you find about this course? You can say internet or other sources and mention. Now, once you are ready, you can simply submit application. If there is any issue, if there is in case there's any issue in application, you can see in this. So we need to complete this. We need to fix that. Do you have any disability? No disability. Save and continue. Now go to submissions tab here. agree to this, click on submit. You can see thank you for your application, full-time course to starting this. All details, go to review application here, and you'll also receive an email. Let me show you where there will be confirmations. You can see this is application review. You can check out details here. In case any confusion, you can write us on the Instagram here. And this is the mail when you start application, and this is the mail when you submit the application. So reference number is there, and then you need to track the results. Once your application is reviewed, they'll be defining the amount of scholarship, percentage of scholarship you will be getting for this. That's it. And in case you have any confusions, ask us directly on Instagram. How do you reach us on Instagram? Go to our website fullscholarships.net. On the right hand side, so you can see Instagram button. Tap on this. It will take you to our Instagram page here, and there you contact our team directly and ask for any questions. That's it for today. I'm signing off for fullscholarships.net. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.